How to track a package on ups.com. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can track a package on ups.com. How do you do this? To track a package on ups.com is very simple. The first thing to do is to log in into your UPS account. Once you're logged in, just like I have done here, at the top part of the screen next to the UPS icon, you'll see a menu displaying shipping, tracking, product and services. Ensure you select tracking. Once you select tracking, a menu will be displayed showing you track a package, change a delivery. All right, click on track a package. So once you click on it, it will load and then you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be further directed on how you can track a package. Now in this page you would see track, enter up to 25 tracking numbers, one per line. Okay, then verify your payment account information for full tracking details. So all you need to do here is to input tracking numbers here or number depending on how it applies to you, and then after that click on track. So once you click on track, go ahead and check your payment account for further details. So this is just how you can track your products on ups.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.